Dear members of Sequoia Capital Commitments Committee, wherever you're watching this video from, good day to you. My name is Zheng Kai.
And my name is Yong En, and we are junior consultants from Sequoia Capital. Recently, Siegel Vine Gardens has announced that it is expanding its operations, and we believe that this is a profitable venture. Siegel Vine Garden has tried to differentiate its wines from others through eco-labels for the past 5 years. To date, the estate, which includes a shop and tasting room, manages to produce and sell 8,000 cases of wine per year. We at Sequoia have identified that there are 3 main tasks for us to fulfill. They are namely, marketing a biodynamic wine, implementing a feasible ecotourism plan, and achieving long-term sustainability. Here's a brief analysis of Siegel's current situation. Siegel's wine has been proven to be nutritionally more beneficial than conventional wine. However, it seems that the eco-labels educating consumers do not seem to be working. We believe that the primary problem lies with Siegel's marketing strategy. Before we go any further, we feel that it is first necessary to determine that Siegel is a luxury brand. We believe with the effort and expense that goes into creating the wine, it provides enough justification that it is indeed a premium item. This table shows that there are 2 main markets that we intend to target, the United States and the rest of the world. From this you can tell that indeed, most of the wine is sold within the United States. However, we must also not forget that a substantial amount is being exported outside the US. Research tells us that the current majority of wine consumers in the US consists of the baby boomers. However, research also shows that the millennials are quickly catching up in terms of wine consumption. Our focus will hence be on the millennials. Therefore, to be able to capture this market group would be critical in the short and long run. There are 3 main traits of millennials which we deem to be very critical to us. Firstly, they are internet proficient. Secondly, they are positive and practical. They are reputed to have a very optimistic nature and believe they can make a difference to the world. Thirdly, they are socially and environmentally conscious. We believe this trait will allow them to be more receptive to Siegel's biodynamic wine products. Bearing in mind the above, we can proceed to educate consumers and promote Siegel's wines. We can use social media to reach out to the consumers. Platforms such as Twitter and Facebook will be essential because they are most commonly used by the millennials. Also, they provide an arena for consumers to engage in discussions with their peers and learn about how biodynamic products help to protect the environment. Next, we believe that obtaining the endorsement from selected celebrities will help lend credence to our product. A few possible candidates would be Oprah Winfrey, who hosts the show Earth Day, and popular Chinese environmentalist Ma Jin was recently awarded the Goldman Environmental Prize. Last but not least, we believe that an important resource for Siegel to leverage on is tastingroom.com. The concept behind the idea is easy. Full bottled wine is uncorked and repackaged into 50 ml mini bottles. They are then packed in a set of 6 different wines and subsequently sent to the member. By being part of this service, Siegel will be able to penetrate deeper into the wine industry as a biodynamic brand. These are the main channels we aim to use to distribute our products. We believe that Siegel is currently on the right track in conducting its sales of wines in restaurants and retailers which promote organic foods. However, we feel that most of its sales will now be conducted on the internet given the various web-based initiatives that we have mentioned earlier. Therefore, it is integral that Siegel ensure that it will be able to handle this increase in electronic orders. Lastly, Siegel's resort would serve to be a place whereby tourists observe the winemaking process and subsequently make purchases. The second aspect of our marketing efforts will be to target the Asian market. According to research on the affluent consumer market, there has been an increased demand for luxury goods from Asian countries, namely China and Hong Kong, which has recently scrapped its import duty on alcohol. To ensure a stable and more diversified demand, Siegel should aim to target the Asian luxury markets in order to increase the demand for its products. We believe that in the future, demand for Siegel's wine will outstrip that of the United States. Therefore, Siegel should not be neglecting these markets, but instead roll out the same initiatives as those done in the United States.
To target affluent consumers, sufficient modification to the current product offered is required. Siegel should focus on the benefits that its products have on the planet rather than the benefit it brings to the individual customers. Therefore, our proposed solution is to design an agrotourism experience targeted at environmental conscious tourists who will be able to appreciate the benefits of biodynamic farming. The agro-tourism experience will serve to provide the personal experience that consumers require to make more well-informed decisions when purchasing wine. Due to Sequoia's lack of experience in the hospitality management, we propose that Sequoia Capital should collaborate with Banyan Trees Group in order to produce a suitable resort setting that will effectively draw affluent consumers. Banyan Trees is a group that has done exceedingly well in running its Asia-Pacific chain of resorts. It is well known for being able to create an intimate and unique experience for their customers, which is precisely what we hope to achieve. Recently, it is looking at expanding into the American market after gaining a foothold in the Asian market. Therefore, we feel that collaboration with Banyan Tree Group will ensure a mutual benefit for both parties. The main highlight of the agro-tourism experience, other than the hands-on experience offered at our luxury resort, is none other than the wine itself. In order to better convince customers of the quality of Siego's biodynamic wine, we would target to offer our customers an organic fine dining experience, where wine is paired with the most exquisite food and flavors so as to offer a more complete experience. Once again, collaboration with Banyan Tree Group will be ideal as they have the expertise in the operation of fine dining restaurants. In order to jumpstart agro-tourism in Lake County itself, we will have to invest a substantial amount to build new attractions and design engaging activities that will leave the environment unharmed in the meantime. Of the $150 million invested, 20% of the funds should be directed at building ecotourism friendly facilities and infrastructure, such as a recreational water sports center, providing picnic facilities, and hands-on guided tours of the vineyard. Such tours will allow customers better understand the processes of biodynamic farming and the benefits derived in a casual and relaxing manner. To handle the increased visitor inflow, we will also look into partnering the local authorities to implement an environmentally friendly mass transport system, such as using electric buses. To achieve this, we could look at tapping on the expertise of one company which we currently hold interest in, CleanCell International. Given CleanCell International's ability to provide alternative energy at lower costs, we could ensure a sustainable and eco-friendly mass transportation system that would greatly benefit the local population and provide critical infrastructure for our ecotourism venture. In order to maximize Siego's potential, we would recommend a premium pricing strategy in order to further enhance its image as a high-end getaway resort spa. As compared to the current prices of $18 to $36 per bottle, Siego can also expect to increase its prices per bottle by as much as 20 to 30%. However, in line with Sequoia Capital's philosophy of giving back to society and refusing to work to let the rich get richer, we will propose that the excess profits that we expect to earn from this venture be partly channeled back to helping Lake County retain its scenic beauty by designing and implementing various programs to ensure that a higher inflow of tourists will not adversely affect the environment. In order to allow Lake County to retain its traditions, Sequoia and Siego should also look into allowing local handicraft and culture play a significant part in the expansion of Siego Vineyard. Not only will we be boosting the promotion of local arts and culture, we will also be providing a holistic experience to Siego's customers. Considering the potential profitability of this venture, as well as our firm's current financial standing, we would recommend that the Commitments Committee finance this investment through the equity structure as shown. To further safeguard our investments, we recommend that Sequoia invest a majority of its investments as preferred equity and the remainder as common equity. This would ensure a steady stream of income each year and reduces the risk involved, considering that it will be our first investment in the tourism and hospitality sector. We target to achieve an initial occupancy rate of at least 75% for the first 3 years and stabilizing at an optimal rate of 90% thereafter. In addition, sale of Siego's wine can be expected to double with our penetration into the Asian market and continue growing at a compounded annual growth rate of 10%. Each individual customer can be expected to contribute a total of $450, which will give us an initial revenue of $40 million and will allow us to break even in 3.5 years. In conclusion, our investment in Siego Vine Garden can be expected to give us an expected net present value of $250 million over the next 10 years. Most importantly, this venture will give Sequoia Capital important exposure to the hotel management and tourism industry. This will add to our diversified portfolio of investments and present.
With these advantages, we strongly recommend that the community collaborate and invest in Siego Wine Gardens. Thank you.